World in Detail presents to you the remarkable world of the tiniest creatures on Earth. Our planet is teeming with life forms, and the most fascinating ones are often the smallest. We'll be taking you on a journey into their world, showcasing a range of these tiny marvels. Despite their size, each plays a key role in maintaining our ecosystem. They're proof that size doesn't always matter, thriving from forests to oceans, skies to underground. Their presence underlines the importance of biodiversity. So, prepare yourself to dive into the wonderful world of these tiny wonders. Starting the countdown, at number 10 is the pygmy marmoset, the smallest monkey in the world. Nestled in the rainforests of South America, this petite primate is no bigger than a human hand, weighing in at a mere 5 ounces. But don't let its size fool you. This little monkey has some remarkable traits. For one, the pygmy marmoset is an expert climber, using its sharp, claw-like nails to nimbly navigate the dense forest canopy. And it has a unique diet too. With specialized teeth, it gnaws holes into tree bark to lap up the sap, gum, and resin inside, a behavior not common among primates. Its small size also plays to its advantage, helping it keep a low profile from predators and allowing it to live in a variety of habitats, from lowland forests to high-altitude Andean foothills. This tiny primate surely packs a lot in its small size. Moving on to number 9, we have the dwarf lantern shark, the smallest shark species. This little sea dweller, no bigger than a human hand, is a fascinating example of nature's diversity. Residing deep within the Atlantic Ocean, off the northern coast of South America, the dwarf lantern shark navigates the abyss with the help of its unique feature, bioluminescent organs. These organs, called photophores, emit an eerie glow, hence the lantern in its name. Imagine a tiny shark that lights up the deep dark ocean. This bioluminescence helps the shark in hunting its prey and evading larger predators. Despite its size, it's a formidable hunter, feeding on krill, small fish, and squid. Not much else is known about this elusive creature due to its remote habitat. So next time you ponder the vastness of the ocean, remember the tiny yet mighty dwarf lantern shark. Who knew sharks could come in such small packages? At number 8, we introduce the pygmy rabbit, the smallest rabbit species. This tiny creature is a resident of North America and is unique among American rabbits for its small size. On average, you'll find them to be less than 1 foot in length. The pygmy rabbit is a creature of the sagebrush. This hardy plant provides both food and shelter for these mini mammals. Incredibly, they are one of the few rabbit species that can dig their own burrows. Despite their petite stature, pygmy rabbits are quite hardy and have some unique adaptations. Their short, compact bodies help conserve body heat in the harsh winter months. They are also excellent jumpers and runners, which helps them evade predators. These rabbits are more than just their size. They are a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of nature. This little bunny is a true marvel of small size and great survival skills. Number 7 brings us the pediphrine amoensis, the smallest frog, and vertebrate by length. This tiny creature is no larger than a dime, measuring a mere 7 millimeters in length. That's right, just 7 millimeters. Native to the leafy undergrowth of Papua New Guinea's rainforests, this minuscule marvel is a master of hide and seek, blending seamlessly with the forest floor. But don't let its size fool you. What the pediphrine amoensis lacks in stature, it makes up for in uniqueness. Unlike other frog species, it bypasses the tadpole stage, with eggs hatching into miniaturized adult frogs. Talk about a quick leap into adulthood, and there's more. This species holds the record for the highest pitched call of any frog. It's a high-pitched whistling sound, quite distinctive and a testament to this frog's remarkable adaptability. This tiny amphibian is a big wonder in a small package. Flying into number 6, we have the bee hummingbird, the smallest bird species. This feathered marvel, with its body length of barely 2.5 inches, is the embodiment of the phrase, small but mighty. Native to the lush landscapes of Cuba and the Isla de la Juventud, this tiny avian wonder has adapted perfectly to its tropical habitat. Now don't let its size fool you. The bee hummingbird's vibrant plumage, shimmering in hues of blue, green, and pink, gives it a unique aesthetic charm. But perhaps its most astounding feature is its rapid wing movement, beating at an extraordinary 80 times per second. This allows the bee hummingbird to hover in place like a helicopter, a skill that comes in handy when sipping nectar from a variety of flowers. This tiny bird shows that size does not limit the beauty and complexity of nature. Number 5 introduces the speckled padloper tortoise, the smallest tortoise species. Nestled in the rocky landscapes of South Africa, this tiny creature measures an average of 3 to 4 inches in length. Its size is not the only thing that sets the speckled padloper apart. This tortoise has a unique speckled shell pattern, a brilliant adaptation for camouflage among the rocks and shrubs. The males are even smaller than the females, making it easier for them to navigate rocky terrains. Another fascinating aspect of the speckled padloper tortoise is its diet. It primarily feeds on succulent plants, which provide it with essential hydration in its arid habitat. Despite its small stature, the speckled padloper tortoise is quite resilient. It has been known to live for several decades, a testament to its adaptation to the harsh conditions of its environment. This little tortoise is a testament to the miracles of evolution. Sliding into number 4, we have the Etruscan shrew, the smallest mammal by mass. This tiny creature, also known as the white-toothed pygmy shrew, weighs a mere 2 grams, less than a single penny. The Etruscan shrew's habitat spans throughout Europe, North Africa, and Malaysia. Despite its size, this small but mighty creature has a rapid metabolism, needing to eat up to twice its body weight in food per day. Its diet mainly consists of insects and small invertebrates, which it hunts with impressive speed and precision. One of the most fascinating features of the Etruscan shrew is its heart rate. It's one of the fastest in the animal kingdom, beating an astounding 25 times per second. That's up to 1,500 beats per minute. This exceptional creature also has highly developed senses, particularly its sense of touch. The whiskers on its snout are so sensitive that they help it navigate and hunt in complete darkness. So small yet so vital, the Etruscan shrew is a marvel of the animal kingdom. Flying into the number 3 spot, we have the Kitti's hog-nosed bat, the smallest mammal by length. Now this is no ordinary bat. It's a tiny marvel of the animal kingdom. The Kitti's hog-nosed bat, also known as the bumblebee bat, is roughly the size of a large bumblebee. Yes, you heard that right, a bat the size of a bee. This bat calls the limestone caves of Thailand and Myanmar home, and it's here where they truly shine, darting in and out of the shadows with incredible agility. What makes this bat unique apart from its size is its pig-like snout, a feature that has earned it the name hog-nosed. But don't let the name fool you. This tiny creature is a master of the skies, using its small size and quick reflexes to nab insects right out of the air. This tiny bat is a big surprise in the world of mammals. Slithering into number 2, we introduce the Barbados thread snake, the smallest snake species. Native to the Caribbean island of Barbados, this serpentine spectacle measures a minuscule 4 inches on average, roughly the length of a toothpick. Unlike its larger relatives, the Barbados thread snake doesn't lay eggs. Instead, it gives birth to live young, a rarity among reptiles. Now don't let its size fool you. This tiny snake is a marvel of adaptation. It thrives in leaf litter and feeds on the larvae of ants and termites. This dietary choice makes the Barbados thread snake an integral part of its ecosystem, helping to control insect populations. Its size and secretive nature make it elusive and difficult to study, but each discovery about this tiny titan reveals the wonder and complexity of life on our planet. This tiny snake is proof that even the smallest creatures have a big role to play in our ecosystems. And finally, at number 1, the smallest animal in our countdown, the Paratarsotomus macropalpus mite. This tiny critter is the stuff of legends. Though it's barely the size of a sesame seed, this mite is a true titan in the micro world. Residing in the sunny landscapes of Southern California, the Paratarsotomus macropalpus thrives in hot, dry conditions. You won't find this mite shying away from a warm day. In fact, it's been known to withstand temperatures higher than any other known animal can tolerate. But it's not just its heat resistance that makes the Paratosotomus macropalpus remarkable. This mite holds the title for the fastest land speed relative to body size, scurrying along at an astonishing 322 body lengths per second. To put that in perspective, it's equivalent to a human running at around 1,300 miles per hour. So there you have it, the Paratosotomus macropalpus mite, the tiniest yet one of the most fascinating creatures on our planet. From tiny monkeys to minuscule mites, the world of small animals is truly fascinating. We journeyed through the realm of the remarkably small today, meeting creatures that may be tiny but are mighty in their own ways. We discovered the pygmy marmoset, the smallest monkey, and the dwarf lantern shark, the tiniest shark in the ocean. We hopped along with the pygmy rabbit and the tiny pediphrine amoensis frog. We flew with the bee hummingbird, the smallest bird, and crawled alongside the speckled padloper tortoise, the smallest tortoise species. We met the minuscule Etruscan shrew and the Kitti's hog-nosed bat, the smallest mammal. We slithered with the Barbados thread snake, the smallest snake, and scurried along with the Paratosotomus macropalpus mite, the smallest arachnid. Each of these animals, despite their size, plays a critical role in maintaining ecological balance. Remember, size does not define importance. Even the smallest creatures play a big role in our world. Until next time, this is World in Detail, signing off.